Meghalaya BJP Vice President Bernard Marak rules out the assumption that BJP may put a ban on beef eating in the state, saying it's the culture of Meghalaya. He also ruled out any major impact of Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021, which prohibits the slaughter of cows. Further, he asserted that BJP lost hope in Conrad Sangma, as the national president Conrad Sangma has changed ever since he took over as the chief minister of the state.
I would not say it was a mistake, but we had very high hopes. We had confidence in Conrad Sangma. I was also the one who voted for him, who campaigned for him. The Conrad Sangma whom we are seeing today is not the same Conrad Sangma who was 5 years ago. He has changed a lot. In spite of 28 cases being slapped on me, I am standing here today contesting against him. With immense support from the central leaders, we are under the provision of the constitution, that is 6th schedule. So we have to understand the 6th schedule in order to defend ourselves. So BJP is not in making any move to violate that provision.
Meghalaya State TMC President